Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing of this M4 Smart Bracelet. I actually got this one for around $5 and I bought this one through Shopee. So let's open it guys. But before that, let's look at the box. So this it has the smart bracelet here in the middle, and then it has also the M4 branding at the bottom, and on the sides we have here motion, calories, distance, and on the other side there's also heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure. And here are the specifications guys. So we have here the power, which is 5 volts to 1 ampere. I am not sure. Then display is 0.96 inches, 0.96 inch TFT. Waterproof level is IP67 as they said, but I'm not sure with that. And working time, which is around 4 to 7 days. Yeah, we'll see for also. Standby time, it's around 45 days. Connection is Bluetooth 4.0. And charging method is charging clip. Support Android 4.4 and also iOS 8.5 and above. Yeah, so you have to make sure, guys, that your smartphone is Android 4.4 or above, and also your iPhone should be iOS 8.5 and above. Okay, so let's open it, guys. Okay, so here are the here are the things on the box. So we have here the manual, guys. As you can see, it has in English and also in Chinese. So if you have any questions, just refer to your manual. And we also have here the strap. So it although guys, the price is quite cheap, but the strap still looks and feels premium, guys. Yes. And we also have here the charging clip, as they said. So it's like this, where you connect your smart bracelet here. And here is the port, USB port. And finally, we have here our smart bracelet. So the M4, let's take it off. And let's press here. It has actually, okay guys, so here is the screen. So it's quite small, and at the bottom there's a circular icon here, and there on the sides there are nothing on the sides. And here are the pins, are the charging nodes, and we have here the sensor if I'm not mistaken. And so then guys, it's already turned on because I think we pressed this circular icon. So this is the turn on button here. Okay, so guys, the watch is very tiny, so it's just like my like my thumb. Yes, the size of my thumb. Okay, and okay, so this is the home screen, guys. So it has the time, the date, and also the day, and the steps. Yes, in here, and the battery sign, battery bar on top. So let's press it, guys, and then there's also steps. So let's check it. Okay, so we have here steps and kilometers and the kcal. All right, and let's just long press this one to go back. And then heart rate. So let's check this one. Okay, so it has also the blood pressure and the SpO2, or the blood oxygen level. So let's check, guys. Yes, so you can see it is blinking. Let's just put in our. So I'm not sure, guys, if it's really correct. So let's try to test that one later on. Okay. And we have sports. So the sports mode, we have running, skipping, sit up. Yes, only those guys. And then we also have here message. So it says no because it is not connected yet. And then sleep. We also have sleep here. Weather. Yes. I haven't used the weather before. So let's check that one later on. And music as well. And let's check on more, guys. So there's also camera. I believe this is the remote camera control. And also, okay, let's, there's nothing. And then looking for, I think, when you want to find your smartphone and the theme, let's check the theme. So I think that's okay. Okay, so the theme, we have also the theme. Let's go back. More. And we also have the theme, guys. So let's check the theme. We have this one, two, three. Let's have this one, the blue one. Okay. And reset. And also download and the power off button. Okay, so for the price, guys, it's not bad. You can get what you've paid for. Yes, so let's put the strap on and let's see if how it feels when you wear it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think we have to do like this. And let's wear the band. Okay. I th- Okay, so here is the band, guys. And actually, when you wear it, so it feels very light on your hand, and sometimes you feel that you are not wearing any band at all. So it's very lightweight, and which is nice because it is not really kind of bulky like the other smartwatch that we had. Okay, okay, so I think we just have to. I have hard time. Okay, and then here, guys, it's already fit. So it's very light. Yes, you can check the time later on. Okay, guys, so my first impression is that it's not bad for the price, and we will check more if how accurate this smartwatch is. Yes, considering the price. And okay, the strap is good. Okay, and then later on, guys, on my video, I will be showing you on how to connect this smart band also to your smartphone. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. So, and again, guys, this is Josh, and I will see you soon. And guys, after this video, I will be showing you some of the some pictures that I took to have for you to have a close up of the watch. Okay. See you soon, guys.